Hello and welcome. You will learn what is yoga burn and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Yoga has been around for centuries, and most people look at it as a form of exercise that's gentle and used for stress relief. The truth of the matter is that yoga is extremely effective for building strength, toning your body and helping with weight loss too. Some of the most aesthetically pleasing physiques belong to yoga practitioners who can execute poses that would make a bodybuilder tremble and groan. Over the past few years, one of the top-selling yoga programs online that has sold thousands of copies was created for women by a woman. Generally, most yoga classes are done for both men and women. They neglect to address specific physical challenges the different genders face. Yoga Burn was specifically made for women to help them tone their bodies by addressing the common difficulties that women face when trying to lose weight. It targets the stubborn areas like the thighs and buttocks. With thousands of sales and many satisfied customers, it's safe to say that Yoga Burn is a proven product. Yoga Burn is a 12-week program comprised of 3 phases. Each phase has 3 videos with a total of 9 videos. Each video is about 15 minutes long. You'll play the video in a loop 3 times to create a 45-minute session. Just long enough for the workout to be effective and yield results without being overly arduous. By the time the 12 weeks are up, you'll be much more capable at yoga and your body will be stronger and more toned. Let's take a look at what is included with Yoga Burn. Phase 1 Video Workouts. Phase 2 Video Workouts. Phase 3 Video Workouts. Tranquility Flow Bonus Video Workout. Tips and Tools Video. Beginner Flow Video Workout. Pose Tutorial Video. Calendar and Instructions. Access to the VIP Facebook group. Audio files. You also receive some bonuses, which are Tranquility Flow Bonus Video Workout. Tips and Tools Video. Beginner Flow Video Workout. Calendar and Instructions. Access to the VIP Facebook group. Who is Zoe Bray-Cotton, the author? Zoe Bray-Cotton, a certified yoga instructor and personal trainer, has different methods to help people lose weight. Through her vast experience, she found that some people benefited a lot from yoga. At first, she struggled to understand what was behind that improvement. However, as she kept working with them, she realized it and created this methodology. Zoe, an incredibly smart woman, decided to experiment more with this method. In her mind, yoga can do no harm. So, even if the experiment failed, the people involved would reap benefits. Anyway, after a while of experimenting and observation, she realized how yoga, together with certain food control, promoted weight loss. This was more evident with people whose weight gain was related to their emotions. In the end, Zoe did something that I hadn't seen in many other programs. Put her system together. Give you thoroughly explained routines and videos. Teach you the technical aspects of what you're doing. Setting you up for independence. How the program works. Learning something on your own isn't easy. However, this isn't something new, and programs are made to make you succeed. With that in mind, this system is meant to help you learn ASAP and get you to practice from day 1. To do that, the system is divided into different phases. Here, the progression is solid, so you'll always know what to do. Phase 1. Foundational Flow. A great introduction to yoga. Learn the main poses you'll be working with. Phase 2. Transitional Flow. Follow the routines to get your body started. Practice this phase a lot before moving to the next one. Phase 3. Mastery Flow. Increase the level of difficulty. Combine your previous knowledge to transform your body. For me, it took a little bit longer to jump from phase 2 to 3. However, once I was certain about my poses, I moved on and had no issues. Some people like to try things once and then continue. Since this program is safe, I think you can do that. My recommendation is that you go slow. Regardless, you'll never get lost as to what to do next. In this program, you'll always know what you're doing and why. The good points. This is an easy-to-follow video course that's suitable for beginners too. The 12-week plan gives you the fundamentals so that you develop a strong foundation as you progress on to the more challenging poses. The video instructions are at a pace that's slow enough for the beginners to follow along to, yet fast enough so they're not overly long. Most yoga classes, books, videos only teach you the poses with nary a thought given to your gender. Yoga Burn, however, is a yoga course that was specifically made for women. Zoe Bray understands the unique challenges that women face when trying to shed the fat off their buttocks and thighs. Men usually do not face issues in these areas. Yoga Burn is designed in a way that it accelerates fat burning in these trouble spots by toning the muscles there with yoga poses. The structure of the course is its strongest selling point. You'll start off in the foundational flow phase where you learn the basics of yoga. Proper breathing techniques, safety, how to execute the poses with good form, etc. will be taught to you during this phase. In phase 2, which is the transitional flow phase, you'll learn how to effortlessly move from one pose to another. The goal is to be smooth and graceful. This is a challenging phase, and it's the one where you will build your lean strength and also develop the skills to execute a yoga flow like a dancer rather than a disjointed marionette. Phase 3 is all about mastering the poses and executing them proficiently. You'll also learn more advanced poses. By now, your body will be stronger and you'll truly appreciate how powerful yoga is. That's what the Mastery Flow phase is all about. Besides these 3 phases, the program also includes a Tranquility Flow sequence. You'll be getting a few MP3 audios to listen to so that you can execute the Yoga Burn program better. This product is a digital download and you'll have instant access to it. You could be doing yoga within 10 minutes of payment. How exciting! If you're worried that you might not like the program, cast your worries aside. Yoga Burn comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Your investment is risk-free, and you can always ask for a refund if you're not satisfied. The bad points. The yoga program is great for building flexibility, increasing strength, and building lean muscle. However, if you want to see weight loss, you'll need to clean up your diet and be at a caloric deficit. When these 2 cornerstones are in place, Yoga Burn will melt your fat off in no time. You'll need discipline to be on a healthy diet. This is a digital download and only available online. You'll need a credit card to purchase it and a computer with an internet connection to access it. Should you get it? You most definitely should. If you're a woman who wishes to get toned and fit without exerting yourself by lifting weights or spending hours on the treadmill, Yoga Burn is definitely your best bet to achieving your weight loss and fitness goals. Even if you're a beginner, this course will work for you because it starts off with the fundamentals and works its way up. The 12-week Yoga Burn program will take you from beginner to intermediate in no time at all. Of course, if you want to truly master yoga at its highest levels, you'll need a professional instructor. However, if it's fitness and weight loss that you want, Yoga Burn will more than suffice. It will give you that lean and lithe look that's feminine and yet strong at the same time. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Yoga Burn today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.